Highly appreciated for choosing beyond ResPlus CPAP. Precaution: the specific parameters shall be set in strictly accordance with physician's order, which shall be set under the directions of doctors or authorized distributors. If any discomfort occurs during treatment, please consult the doctor immediately. Firstly, learn the ventilator structure. The machine is composed of host and humidifier connected with buckle easy to assemble and disassemble. Less steps of adding water and daily washing is fulfilled by simplified design. Just open the upper cover of humidifier to open and take out the water tank. Note: there is water line to indicate the maximum and minimum volume. Before using, air filter and TF card shall be installed in their corresponding interfaces. 3 transmission interfaces are nearby the TF card interface. Right one is power port. Middle one is data port. Left one is SPO2 port. Connect the adapter to host. The machine is powered on. You can find 3 buttons on the host. On/off button is to switch the machine on or off. Mute button is to cancel the alert. Dial button is to adjust the parameters by rotating it clockwise or anti-clockwise and to confirm selection by pressing. Lastly, adjust the parameters according to treatment needs. 5 menu options are available on the lower status bar of main interface, of which parameter is the common function. The instructions to unlock the setting of parameters. Rotate the dial button to move the cursor to option parameter as its front turns into yellow, and then press and hold on the dial button for 5 seconds until DDD sound is heard, which means it's successful to unlock the screen. Whilst an unlocking icon is shown on the left corner of screen. After unlocking, we can enter the parameter interface to adjust the work mode and relevant parameters according to doctor's order. The CPAP machine has the CPAP and APAP working mode. The APAP is the regular used one. Below the interface, down arrow indicates options of page forward. Up arrow indicates options of page back. If they show together, it means both page forward and page back are available. Relax during the expiration period. The airway pressure is lowered on the basis of the set pressure, and the larger the level, the greater the reduced pressure. There are 4 levels. 0 indicates off. 1. 2 centimeters of water pressure. 2. 3 centimeters water pressure. And 3. 4 centimeters water pressure. Ramp. The amount of time it will take to ramp to a regulating inspiration pressure, it can be set from 0 to 60 minutes. The larger the value, the longer the ramp time. After all adjustments are completed, please enter the last page and choose the back option on the right corner of the interface to exit parameter setting. Next, we're going to explain the humidifier adjustment. The adjustable range of humidifier can be set on the unlocked parameter interface. First, enter the parameter setting interface and a page forward to find the humidifier option. Total 6 levels. The higher of setting value, the higher of humidity. 0 indicates off. 1 level is 50 degrees. 2 level is 55 degrees. 3 level is 60 degrees. 4 level is 65 degrees. 5 level is 70 degrees. After humidifier range is settled, directly select the humidifier option on the main interface to set the humidifier level in actual needs. Besides parameter, the other settings like PF curve setting, the system setting, information setting, and Epworth sleep quality questionnaire are available and adjustable as users' wishes. Please refer to user manual or consult professionals for more operating details. Thanks for your watching and choosing Beyond Ventilator. Breathing freely, living a healthier life. Beyond